How to send file in iPhone Messenger. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messenger application on your phone. On this page, you can view all your chats with your Facebook friends. Open any chat from here. Then, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the plus icon as shown. Select Share a File. Choose the file you want to share from here. And then, tap on Open at the top right. As you can see, you have now shared this file in this chat. If you see Sent below the last message, this means that the person might be offline and has yet not received the message. You can follow the same steps to send any files to whichever contact you want. Following these steps, you can easily send file in iPhone Messenger. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.